Hey friends, if you encounter the error the network security key isn't correct in Windows, then that would be a very serious problem for a lot of users because they would wonder, why am I getting the error for network security key for setting up the network security key on my computer when I've already set it up on my router? Now I want you to understand one thing. Okay, when you're trying to change the security key to your system by any manner, that there are different standards like WEP, WPA, WPA2, WPA3, and so on. There are many standards. So WEP is an old standard, but it still works on obsolete computers. Okay, I won't use the word obsolete computers, but let's say older computers. So this will allow up to a 10-digit numerical code. But WPA, WPA2, etc. will allow new alphanumeric codes, like you can add numbers and everything to that. So if your system uses, if your router uses the WEP standard, or your system is only compatible with the WEP standard, then you don't have any other option. You can use a password or like a 10-digit number, like 123456780, whatever. It should be a 10-digit number. That's it. Try this. Usually people use your phone number, but if you don't think that it's safe, it's a different thing. Try a 10-digit number and use it. It would usually work and solve. But if that doesn't help, try one more thing. Just update the network adapter driver. Search for device manager and open device manager. Expand the list for network adapters. Right click on the MediaTek one and select update driver and search automatically for drivers. Okay, this should solve the problem, because if your system was not accepting it, maybe the drivers were not updated, and after updating it, it will accept the newer standards. And then the last thing is to buy a new router. I mean, think about it. If you have older standards set for an obsolete router, let's say you purchased it 10 years ago, it was an excellent Netgear router, it didn't go bad, but now the standards have changed, then you will have to buy a new router if you want a different password, or use a WEP standard if that works, but it will still be very insecure. And the next thing that you can do is to buy a new computer, because you cannot get a different network card. Okay, so this is the only thing that you can do about it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.